morning, everyone. We are on a road trip today. We are headed to Saskatchewan, which sounds far, but it's only a 3-hour drive for us. We are going to pick up another farm animal. So stay tuned and see what we pick up.
Critters are us.
Critters are us. What am I going to do with this guy?
Love me.
What?
Love me.
I do love you. All right, so I'll take you along for the road trip because, like I said, it's a 3-hour drive. We're leaving the province. We're going to have a time change. Catch you after. So we are on Highway 16, also known as the Yellowhead. Saskatoon is 560 kilometers away, but we are not going that far. Rocky Mountain National Park. Down some rolling hills here. So this is part of the Trans-Canada, this number 16. 16 West, yeah. Junction is in 1 kilometer to stay on 16.
Okay, down the valley, up the hill, turn
Yeah. I think we actually slept at that rest area
left.
many years ago. Yes, I remember it now. That 10 takes you straight up to Dauphin. They actually do a lot of country festivals, country music festivals. There's the rest area. Shots of the toy building down. It's got a big Canada goose there. Cool. And we used to work for Keystone. Kind of overcast today, but it is going up to 22. I just seen a plane up in the air there. Could be a military plane. I don't know if you guys can see the plane kind of to the left there. It's coming towards us. Ooh, it looks like it's going to turn right in front of us. See it right in the center. I don't know what they're doing. They're just doing circles. It's the Hercules. Sean asked me if Search and Rescue used the Hercules, and yes, they do. They got their lights on. Can you see them coming right at us? They could be just training out here. Let's zoom in. There you go. They're actually flying alongside us now. eyes forward there, Mr. Driver.
Yes,
I know you're looking up there. Just coming into Strathclair. Sounds very Irish. Don't blink, you might miss it. There's a school there and an arena. Nice big house over there. Like yesterday, I went to, I was in and out of the doctor's office within 10 minutes. Drove over to get my foot x-rayed, and that was probably in and out another 10 minutes. It was pretty fast, wasn't it?
Yeah, not like Ontario where you'd have to pitch a tent.
Oh, I know. Yeah, you check in and you're lucky if they call you in 2 hours later. So I was pleased with that. I got to call the doctor this afternoon for my results. Oh, we got Saskatchewan plates in front of us. That looks like a pretty big lake. Look at that. The hydro poles are in the water. Sean called him a betweener. Saskatchewan is the province is between the prairies.
Yeah, between here and nowhere.
Between here and nowhere?
Yeah, that's the polite version.
Yeah. There's a farmer out doing his field. There he is. Yeah, so we're going to have a nice country drive all the way to Yorkton. We are going to Yorkton, Saskatchewan. It's kind of hazy out too, isn't it? It's already 19 degrees.
Yeah, we don't hit the Saskatchewan border until we get around Foxmore.
Okay.
Just after Foxmore.
I was supposed to be doing this drive by myself today, but Sean took the day off to come with me.
It's not hard to take the truck is still in repair shop.
That's right, yeah. I had to pick him up Friday night in Brandon because he dropped the truck off at the dealership for a couple of minor repairs. And they didn't finish it yesterday. So, yesterday was Monday, so he's had Monday and today off with me. Truck should be ready later this afternoon.
Yeah.
And then back to work he goes for a couple more days and then home again for the weekend. It's kind of nice being your own kind of boss anyway, isn't it?
It is until you get some other person who's trying to that is not fun.
Little sign there says Shoal Lake 1 kilometer, and decide to turn at the last minute on a corner. I think we're about halfway there now.
Going to, man, that Tolbert little town is like having a blink fest.
That's what I said. Don't blink, you'll miss it.
That's right.
Might miss all 10 houses over there. Oh, there's an airport. Shoal Lake has a little airport. So it's got the turbo going. Woo-wee.
That's right. Got the Raptor motor in it, baby.
Yes, you do. We made it to some nicer paved road. About an hour and a half into our drive. Not much to see out in the country. There's a lot of poplar trees in Manitoba. Sean says they're garbage trees. Tractor machinery coming towards us. Wide load. maybe because of the fires. Alberta and I think parts of Saskatchewan are getting fires, forest fires, aren't they?
I haven't heard about Saskatchewan.
Well, I wouldn't be surprised.
Never had any rain.
No, we have not had any rain. Just coming into a place called Foxwarren, Manitoba. Don't look like the old store's open anymore.
The town had 5 NHLers when we were here.
Say that again.
5 NHLers.
Oh, 5 NHLers.
Yeah.
Good hockey players then.
Yeah, Kevin Lowe, I think, from Edmonton Oilers. There's 5 of them all listed on the side.
Came from small town and had big dreams. There's a country song about that.
Don't see many oil wells around here because it's all salt water underneath.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Looks like we made it to Russell. Welcome to Russell. Yeah, that's definitely got to be smoke. Creating all this haze. Yeah. Let's see how big Russell is. Well, they got a Tim Hortons and a Subway. And more, it says. They have an inn, kids stay free, and free Wi-Fi. I could go to the bathroom. Do you think they're open? Oh, Tim Hortons, yeah. There's a rest area too, but I think you had to get off to go to it. 83, it said. We're about an hour away. Yeah. Let's stop for a washroom break at the Esso and the Russell Inn. Looks like a cute little inn. Here's the inn. Got water slide. Oh, and a beer store. We'll be back. So Sean got a tea and he bought 2 muffins. I didn't want a tea.
One's a banana bread pecan.
Yeah.
And the other one's a walnut. Yeah, one's a pecan, one's a banana bread.
I don't know. I can't tell the difference. They look good though. Alright. Do you know which is which?
It's a banana.
Alright. I get the banana. Alright. See you in another little while. And that was it for Russell. If you thought Manitoba was flat like Saskatchewan, it's not. Just came down a cute little valley. Actually, that's true. People think it's flat. Just the Trans-Canada part is flat. Whoa, it's bumpy. Sorry, guys. Here's the sign. Welcome to Saskatchewan, land of the living skies. Why did I say skis? Oh my goodness, I'm too funny.
What are you in winter mode or what?
I must be. Sean's having a good laugh at me. I almost missed the sign. I had to get the camera on quick. He's like, the sign's coming up when it's like 2 feet away.
It's a kilometer away.
I've noticed the roads haven't changed any now that we're in another province.
Oh no, hell no.
So did the time just change there?
Supposed to.
So this is us in the future to Saskatchewan.
See, they give all of our money away to foreign countries, and this is what we get left with.
I know.
Shitty infrastructure.
Yep.
We should just make this stretch called the train station, and we can bury all the liberals.
This could be,
in the
yeah.
pavement.
Well, there is a train track right there, so yeah. This could be the train station. Or that valley we just province and you're hauling a boat or a canoe, any watercraft really, you have to stop and go through an inspection station. The signs for it were just up ahead. So there's another little town in Saskatchewan. I didn't catch the name of it.
This is Langenberg.
Langenberg? Sorry for the bouncing. It says family and friends, Langenberg, Saskatchewan. Look at the cute little buildings. Did you notice if there was any antique stores?
Thrift stores too.
There's 2 thrift stores. So the person we're getting our new pet from is meeting us in Yorkton. They live another distance away from there, but they were kind enough to meet us to say, well, we're saving an hour drive apparently, but it will be worth the drive.
Electric Mustang.
Yeah. All right, I'm off to call the doctor to see what he says about my x-ray. How's your tea?
Damn hot.
I didn't get a tea. I'm drinking water. But anyways, I just spoke to the doctor. It's not a good result. I thought I had broke my foot. I've actually broke my leg. And it's the tibula. So that's the bone going down your leg that joins to your ankle. And mine is broke in that area. And it's not healing. He said there was no change whatsoever. So I gotta continue to wear this boot for another 3 weeks and go get another x-ray done. So I better baby this foot because, yeah, that's not good. I mean, this happened, it would have been exactly 2 months ago yesterday. And to show no change, that it's not healing, is not a good sign. So, yeah. Anyways, we're about 25 minutes or so away. The people are already there waiting for us. I'll pick you back up when we get there. Good pickings?
That's right.
He picked his nose. Did you see that?
Digging for gold.
We are just coming into Salt Coats, Saskatchewan. I'll have to get Sean to clean the windshield because it's all bug splattered.
I think you forgot winter washer.
Probably do. We need bug stuff. Welcome to Salt Coats. McDonald Farms.
These are the original wipers.
Then did pretty good with those. The skies have cleared up a bit. It's not as hazy. I'm wondering if maybe parts of northern Manitoba are burning. To check the news.
Well, I know firefighters from Manitoba went.
I'm so excited to go pick up what we're picking up. I can't tell you. You'll see. I'll introduce her when we pick her up. And she's already got the perfect name, so we're keeping her name. We're just adding a little extra to the end. I believe we're coming into Yorkton. All these road signs are specifying all the things that you can do. And we are meeting at the Petro Pass truck stop, right?
Yeah.
So our exit is in 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
Pardon?
There's the Petro Pass.
Oh, we're here. There's the Petro Pass. So we are looking for a red Ford pickup. This is exciting. Looks like it's under construction.
That's in front of us.
Yeah. We have found a red pickup truck right in front of us. Yay, that's them. Alright. We'll go pick up our baby and we'll meet just back here. Well, here she is, everyone. Meet Molly. Molly the pot-belly pig. Isn't she a beautiful color, all red? Hi, Molly. You coming home with us? Yeah? She's so cute. All right, we'll get some more video when we get home, when we take her out on the property. Hi, Molly. What you doing? Just chilling back here? Yeah? Nice and cool, isn't it? Hey, Dad put the air conditioning on for you? Yeah. Kind of scooted the pad behind you, didn't ya? You did? You talking to me? Yeah? You gonna tell me stories? Is Molly talking to me? Hey? Oh, what are you saying? I have to go put my seatbelt back on.
Hey, not my fault.
We're driving through town here, and he's going over the bumps, and Molly's telling him off. Hey, Molly, is this a bumpy road? She's actually being really quiet. She was laying down. What's up, Molly? So I was just telling Molly she's lost an hour of her life because she's going from Saskatchewan time to Manitoba time. Yeah. What are you doing? She's rooting away. I put a puppy pad in there. Oh, you're going to play with it and chew it all up, are you? Yeah? That's okay. Molly. Molly. Oh, there's some Cheerios. Did you get them? There you go. Yeah, you like your Cheerios, don't ya? does. Max sounds like a squeaky toy. There you go, Molly. I closed the sunroof. I forgot it was open. Oh, welcome to Manitoba. Where? Right here, Molly. Welcome to Manitoba. We're here. There, is that better, Molly? I'm sorry, I had the sun on you, didn't I? Here, want more Cheerios? Alright, let's put you guys here. We still got a couple of hours to go. You ready? There you go. Put them in your bowl. Then you don't have to go looking for them. Oh, one fell out there. Okay. There you go, Molly. Yeah. You're so cute. Hey, where you going? Hey, Molly. Okay, I gotta go put my seatbelt on again. Yes, I do. You guys can have the Molly cam. We're coming into that valley again, and can you guys see how hazy it is? Yeah, it's more hazy here than Saskatchewan for some reason. Cool valley. Sorry about the bugs on the windshield. She's so quiet. She's relaxing back there. But
Climb up on the chairs. I've heard him pass on the side.
she sure is. When you get all the cuddles and snuggles and belly rubs.
Yeah. She's like, what are you gonna do about that?
Yeah. It's coming down the hill into Minnedosa. You can hear Molly in the back, squeaking away. Are you squeaking? Minnedosa. What noises are you making? What? Are you trying to talk to me? What are you trying to say? What you saying? Where are ya? There you are. What? You tell me stories? Went to your new house? You're gonna have lots of fun there. Yeah. Run around the garden. Oh, that was a big yawn. You make cute little squeaky noises. Sure do. Hello. How's it going? How's my baby doing? You're so cute. Molly. 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 Hi. We're almost home. Yes, we are. We're almost home. We had to stop for a washroom break. Oh, you want your Cheerios now? You having a wee snack? Hey? You having a wee snack? We'll get you some food when we get home. Look at her. That's Max's little cage, so that just shows you how tiny she is. Oh, here comes Dad. What's that noise? road again. Well, we almost made it home without any accidents. But yeah, it's a long drive, and she just had a little accident in the... A good thing we're on the dirt road and we were able to pull over and clean it up quick. Yeah, we're almost home though.
She was walking back to Saskatchewan.
She was headed west. She kind of jumped out on me, but we're all good. We're all good. Sean got her back in. I got it cleaned up and Sean got her back in. We're just passing that farmer with all the cows.
Yeah. Trick is not to chase them.
Yes, you don't chase them. My hair's a mess now. The wind caught it.
She was looking at me all funny because I was walking beside her and
like, yeah, what are you doing?
It's like, what?
Yeah. Now she'd be noisy back there. Hey.
Oh, she's getting pissed.
What are you doing? Have you had enough of this road trip? I don't blame ya. Alrighty. Dad's taking her out. Come on, Molly.
Come on.
Come on. You have to lift her down.
Come on out. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You want to come out? You want to come out?
Good girl.
Come
on, Molly.
Come on, come down the stairs.
Come on. Alright, I'll take her. You go bring the others out. Come on, we go for a walk. There she is. There you go, Molly. Come on over this way. Isn't she gorgeous? Molly May. Alright. RJ's coming over to meet you. Come on, RJ. Can you sit? This is Molly. Molly May. Oh, is that what you think about it? Is that what you think about the whole thing? Isn't she cute?
Okay.
What do you think, RJ? Stay. He's a good boy. Yeah. What do you think there, Molly? Is this your new house? RJ will look after you here.
Never mind.
What did you hear? You want to see her again? Look, do you want to see Molly? Do you want to see Molly? Yeah? What do you think of her? She's almost the same color as you. Yeah. You like her? Is that your sister? Is that your new sister? Did you have a rough afternoon? All the yawning? Molly, what's Molly doing? Hey, what's Molly doing? This is Max. Would you like to come and meet Max? Here. Oh, I need to tilt the camera up a little bit. You just want belly rubs, don't you? Hey, here's Max. This is Max. Yeah. Max remembers having a pig in the house. You sure does. Okay, you're working her with your tail. Can you angle the camera up a little bit, please? Look at the little legs. Look at the little legs. Oh, come here. There, this is home. What you think? Oh, I think I'll have a belly rub. I just think I'll have a belly rub. Hey? What do you think, Max? She's bigger than you already. I know. Is that your new sister? Is it? What do you think, Max? Max, what do you think of Molly? You're not too worried about her, are ya? RJ was outside for 5 minutes and Sean's pulling ticks off him already. They're really bad this year. You have to get tick medicine, tick colic. Look, you're getting kisses from Max already. Max is like, I'll give you kisses. Yes, he will. Let me just angle the camera better. Okay, it's okay. You didn't have to get up. We're coming back to see you. There you go. There you go. I'll pet you. I'll give you all the belly rubs you want. Well, I can't give you belly rubs when you're laying like that, can I? What do you think, Max? Another pig in the house to play with? Yeah, you remember Jameson? Do you? Well, she's settling in pretty good. Onyx is right there if you guys can see her. She's getting close to check out what's going on. Do you want to come see her, Onyx? This is Molly. Hey? Max is just going to sit here beside her. What do you think, Max? What do you think? Hey, do you love her? Do you love her? Is it your sister? Oh, I got belly rubs. Ooh, I love the belly rubs. Hey? Max is giving her kisses. You sure did. You gonna give her kisses? You love her? Give her kisses. Yeah, you gonna give her kisses? No, you don't have to be going under there. Max, Max, give Molly kisses. Where's the kisses? Give Molly kisses. Molly, give her kisses. Here, give Molly kisses. Right there. What do you think, Onyx? Isn't she so cute, everyone? So tomorrow she's 11 weeks old. She was born on March 1st. And her name was Molly. And we're just gonna add Molly May to it. Yeah, look at this cute little tail. Alright. You can come here. RJ, come here. Come here. Come sit right here beside me. There, sit. Can you sit? Sit! Okay, sit. That's not sitting. Sit. 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 Good boy. Okay, do you want to see Molly? Give her kisses. It's okay, Molly. It's okay. Molly says, I'm out of here. See how he always gets down to their level? Molly's gonna knock you over. She's gone over to see Dad. Little tail's wag. Making those funny noises. Alright, this is what feeding at the zoo looks like at 5 o'clock every night. This is RJ's. And this one is for Miss Onyx. I still add liquid to her dry food. And that is Rosie and Max. And now we have Molly May. So I've given her some mini potbelly pig food and a little bit of oats because she's been eating oats. And I have a little extra there too, but I kind of, we'll see how this goes. And that's water for her. So I'm gonna set up the camera, and the Chihuahuas eat in their cages every night, and let's see how this works. Alrighty. Sorry if the camera is not level. So, you see how they wait for their dinner every night? Here you go, RJ. You want your dinner? RJ! There you go, buddy. That's for you. Miss Onyx gets hers over here. Onyx, there's yours. And Molly. 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 Come on, Molly. No, this is for Molly. Molly. Bring her over. This one's yours. Eat your dinner. Like you always do. Eat your dinner. Yeah, she's jealous. Molly. Molly. Come on, Molly. She's down the hallway with Sean. Let me straighten you guys up. I'm gonna put you down here. Here, Molly. 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 No, RJ. This is Molly's. Go eat your dinner, please. No, 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 no. That's the cat's food. Here's yours. Here, Molly. Molly, Molly, Molly. Molly, Molly, Molly. eat your dinner there. Well, somebody's enjoying their dinner, their first dinner at their new home. RJ, eat your dinner. You bring these down to the chihuahuas. Give that one to Rosie. Come on, Mike, or RJ, eat your dinner. No, he doesn't want to eat. Is that good, Molly? Just get. Go eat your dinner. Come on. Here, RJ. What are you doing throwing your food around? Eat your dinners. She's eating her dinner, okay? You eat your dinner. Go on, eat your dinner. Oh, I didn't even take my shoe off yet. Eat your dinner, please. Go on, everybody's eating. And I'll put it away for later then. What? Molly has to eat too. Is that good, Molly? It's a win. Here, I'll give you the rest of it. Here, Molly. Here, there. What? Wait, like get it in the bowl. Might as well have the rest of it. Hey? Come on, pretend I'm getting you some. Here, RJ, come on. There you go, there's your dinner. Eat it up. Good boy, eat it up. They act like they have to have the exact same. Everybody's got to have the same food. There you go, Miss Molly. I think Molly's going to fit in just right here, aren't ya? You'll be a happy girls. Just back and forth, food, water, food, water. Is there a reason why you're blocking the camera, RJ? Are you all finished? Yeah? Get a full belly now? You have a full belly now? Yeah. Alrighty, so I'm going to end this video here so I can get it up tomorrow. I hope everyone enjoyed and welcome Molly to the family. And she's gone over, no. She's gone over to Rosie, or Onyx's food. Anyway, have a good night, everyone. And we'll catch us on my next one. Bye for now.